Alright guys, for this portion I'm going to show you how to fill these out following the links on the board. So in order to fill this part out, what you would need to do is click on the blue links that I have here for you. So I'm going to click the link, and the link will take you to this website. And the website shows you the angles here, and you can kind of play around with them and see. What I'm noticing here is that the angles are inside of my parallel lines. They're inside of my parallel lines, and as I move my transversal, although the numbers of the angles change, what's not changing is the angles stay congruent. So if I move here, the angles are both 140. If I move here, the angles are both 81. What I'm also noticing is that this angle is on this side of the transversal, and this angle is on the other side of the transversal. So now that I've taken a look at my diagram, I can go back to my worksheet and answer some questions about it. So the first thing I would do is go to my diagram and mark where those angles were. I had angle 3 on this side, and I had angle 6 on this side. They were inside of the parallel lines, like this, inside, but on different sides of the transversal. Inside, interior, and alternate means different sides of the transversal. Okay, so over here it says outside or inside of the parallel lines. That would be inside. And this one says same or opposite sides of the transversal. I have one over here and one over there, so that's opposite sides of the transversal. Then we can fill out the examples. An example would be angle 3 and angle 6. Those are the ones we marked. The only other example would have been angles 4 and angle 5. Those are the ones we did not mark. The last question says, these are congruent or supplementary. We noticed when we moved the line back and forth that they stayed congruent, so I'm going to circle congruent. Then what you guys would do next is you would go to the link below it. For same side interior, you would click that, move it around, see what happens, and you'd begin to fill out the next portion the same way. Keep doing that until you go through all of the angle types.